Hola! In case you didn't know, February the 9th is National Pizza Day, so today we're going to learn how to make pizzas in the best way you can, Napoli style. I'm here with my cousin Ryan, he's a pizza chef, so that makes sense. First thing we're going to do is make the dough. So for that you only need 4 ingredients. You need a little bit of water, a bit of salt, flour, and the flour we're using is McDougall's Double O Grade Premium Plain Flour. Now I just got this from Asda, so you should be able to get it just as easily. If you can't find Double O Grade, then strong white bread flour will be the next best thing. Cool? And yeast. So this one is Allinson's dried active yeast, and this is the one you'll use if you're going to let the dough proof for about 24 hours. If you haven't got quite as long as that, if you've got 4 to 6 hours, about that much, you'll get the green one, but still Allison's, you'll be able to get that in Asda as well. Cool? Cool. Let's make the dough. Cool, so we've let our dough proof in the fridge for 24 hours. Now taking that out to let it start warming up so that we can make it into dough balls, which we'll then use to make the pizza bases out of. Next up, we're going to make the sauce.
Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make some pizza sauce. So we need a bowl, we need some passata. You can use any tomato you want, but this is already sieved for you. So it's smooth, so it saves you a job, and it's cheap. This is from Aldi, it's 40 pence.
Yeah, something like that.
We need some extra virgin olive oil, some basil, some oregano. This is Greek mountain oregano, but any dried out of a tin or package will do. And we need some salt. That's it. You can add other things. A lot of people like garlic. I like garlic, but we haven't got any here, but it won't matter. So yeah, let's make some sauce.
Cool. Alright, so that's the sauce all done. Next up, we're going to get that dough. We're going to dough ball it up, and then we're going to make it into the bases. Cool, do it.
Let's do it. You want to wait till it's going a little bit brown, so it's still white here. So as soon as this starts turning brown, I'll get it straight in the grill and it'll start cooking from the above. Okay, ready to go in. We'll go into the grill now. Okay, so we're done. A bit of parmesan to finish, if you like. I like plenty. Olive oil. Bon appetit.
Molto bene.